Alex told us that this thing still runs and drives, despite a radiator being broken. And it does. Okay, yeah, we've got a lot of errors. Transmission error, airbag error, EPC, low coolant, low coolant engine, so for both radiators, low coolant. Check engine, okay, we'll check that. Sounds like it's got a misfire.
Has it got fuel in it?
Ah, yeah. Oh yeah, there's like barely any fuel. Yeah, it's definitely misfiring as well. Oh my god, what have we got ourselves into here?